When it comes to finding hidden treasures or simply enjoying the thrill of the hunt, choosing the right metal detector can make all the difference. With so many options available, it can be challenging to know which detector will meet your specific needs, whether you're just starting, a hobbyist, or a seasoned pro. Each detector has its strengths, so today we're diving into the top 9 metal detectors on the market, exploring what makes each one stand out, from innovative technology to features that maximize convenience and accuracy. And don't worry, I've included links in the description below so you can check prices or buy the one that's right for you. Let's get started. First on the list is the SunPow OTMD13, which is perfect for those looking to get started without a large upfront investment. This model is designed with simplicity and versatility in mind, making it accessible to beginners and enjoyable for seasoned hunters alike. It offers 3 main modes: all metal, discrimination, and notch, that let you search for specific types of metals or screen out those you don't want. For example, you could set it to focus on precious metals, helping to reduce distractions and save time while you're hunting. The large LCD screen is a nice touch, providing clear readings and making it easy to see information on sunny days or in lower light. With its budget-friendly price, this model is a great way to experience the thrill of treasure hunting without breaking the bank. Lightweight yet capable, it's especially suited for casual hunts at local parks or beaches, where you're likely to find coins, small relics, or even jewelry. Next up is the Dr. Utek MTX, known for its advanced detection capabilities and sleek, user-friendly design. This model uses a high-performance DSP chip that enhances both detection accuracy and range, which is ideal if you're searching in diverse terrains where precision is a must. The MTX includes a large backlit LCD screen and offers several settings to customize the search experience, like adjusting sensitivity levels based on the ground conditions and filtering out unwanted metals. One of its standout features is its pinpoint mode, allowing you to home in on a target once you get close. The MTX is not only lightweight and ergonomic, but also boasts impressive depth capabilities. So whether you're combing through open fields or navigating rugged terrain, this detector is easy to carry and effective. It's a fantastic option for anyone seeking advanced features and portability in one package, making it an ideal companion for more adventurous treasure hunts. For those who appreciate a solid traditional model with proven reliability, the Garrett Ace 300 is a top choice. This detector has earned a reputation for durability, accuracy, and ease of use, appealing to a broad range of users from beginners to experienced hobbyists. The Ace 300 offers 5 search modes and operates at a slightly higher frequency, which makes it particularly good at detecting smaller targets like coins, rings, or even small relics. One of its most impressive features is its ability to detect objects up to 10 inches deep, a depth capability that's rare at this price point. The digital target ID provides helpful insight into the type of metal detected, so you can decide whether it's worth digging. Its build quality and performance make it an excellent choice for those who want a reliable, straightforward metal detector that delivers solid results without an overwhelming number of settings. The Fisher F22 is another standout model, especially if you're planning on hunting in various weather conditions. This model is weather-resistant, making it suitable for hunts on damp, rainy days, which is a huge plus for anyone who lives in a wet climate. It includes 4 different search modes to accommodate different types of finds, from coins to relics, and also features a notch setting that allows you to ignore certain metals, helping you zero in on the good stuff. The Fisher F22 is lightweight and built with a durable coil, making it easy to carry and sturdy enough to handle rocky or uneven ground. Its quick recovery time between signals is a fantastic feature, allowing it to distinguish between closely spaced objects, perfect for exploring old fields or abandoned sites where multiple finds might be close together. If you're serious about finding unique relics and valuable items, the Fisher F22 is an ideal tool for diverse environments. For anyone looking for a simple, reliable option, the Mye TCQ is a great entry-level choice. The TCQ is highly affordable and combines simplicity with functionality, making it an excellent starting point for young users or beginners. With a straightforward display and intuitive controls, this model is designed for ease of use. Despite being a budget-friendly option, it still offers effective detection capabilities, able to locate coins, small jewelry, and similar items with reasonable accuracy. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it great for family outings or casual beach hunts. The Mye TCQ offers an approachable introduction to treasure hunting that's both fun and accessible, providing all the basics you need without the added complexity of more advanced models. Moving on, the Nocta Findex is a compact and portable metal detector with a focus on precision and versatility. Its compact build makes it highly portable, ideal for treasure hunters who enjoy traveling light. It's particularly well suited for detecting smaller items, making it popular among coin and jewelry hunters. The Findex features advanced discrimination and sensitivity settings that allow users to fine-tune the detector to suit specific environments or types of targets. It's effective even in mineralized soils where other detectors might struggle, allowing it to distinguish between valuable finds and unwanted items. With its ergonomic design, the Findex is comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, making it perfect for long searches in a variety of settings, from forests to beaches. The Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 is a well-established model known for its durability and simplicity. Its basic analog interface features just a few knobs for adjusting sensitivity and discrimination, making it easy for anyone to use, even those with no prior experience. The Tracker 4 can detect objects up to 8 inches deep, which is ideal for coins, jewelry, and small relics. Its rugged build makes it suitable for a range of environments, from sandy beaches to grassy parks. For those who value straightforward functionality without unnecessary extras, the Tracker 4 is a reliable and affordable choice that performs well in almost any setting, especially for light recreational use. The SunPow OTMD04 is another fantastic choice for more serious treasure hunters. It combines versatility with powerful detection depth, making it ideal for those looking to uncover more than just surface-level finds. This model offers multiple search modes and is equipped with advanced technology to enhance detection accuracy and depth. It's particularly effective in areas with high mineral content where other detectors might encounter interference. The OT-MD04's ergonomic handle and adjustable shaft make it comfortable to use for extended periods, and its waterproof design means it can be used in shallow water as well. Whether you're scouring rugged terrain or searching near bodies of water, the OTMD04 offers professional-level features that are accessible for enthusiasts of all experience levels. Finally, we come to the Minilab Equinox 800, the ultimate choice for professional metal detectorists and enthusiasts who want top-notch performance. This model is equipped with multi-IQ technology, allowing it to operate across multiple frequencies simultaneously, a feature that enhances its versatility and makes it ideal for use in a wide variety of terrains, including water. The Equinox 800 is also known for its exceptional recovery speed, which allows it to detect multiple objects in densely packed areas, such as crowded beaches or parks. Its wireless audio capabilities add to its convenience, allowing you to detect without being tethered by cords. With its advanced settings and high level of sensitivity, the Equinox 800 provides unparalleled accuracy and performance, making it the gold standard for serious treasure hunters. To sum up, all 9 of these metal detectors offer something unique, catering to various levels of expertise and terrain needs. For beginners, the SunPow OTMD13 and Mie TCQ are budget-friendly options that deliver solid performance without the complexity of advanced features. The DR Otek MTX and Garrett Ace 300 provide reliable depth and customization options ideal for more experienced users looking to expand their searching capabilities. If you're an advanced user or a professional, the Fisher F22 and Minelab Equinox 800 offer the best in class for durability, sensitivity, and precision, with features that will help you get the most out of every hunt. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore more details and find the best fit for your needs. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more product reviews, treasure hunting tips, and how-to guides. See you in the next video.